we're excited to welcome you back to our stores. We've been working hard so you can enjoy a safe shopping experience with us. And while certain things may feel a little different, it's still the same IKEA. Here's everything you need to know. For safety, we're asking you to social distance while you shop. If you can, please visit us alone, unless you need special assistance or need to bring children. There will be a queuing system outside to manage our in-store customer limit, with co-workers and clear signage to help you, and estimated waiting times displayed. As you might expect, we'll be doing extra cleaning to make the whole store as safe as possible for you. And hand sanitizers will be stationed throughout. We'll only be accepting cashless payments to reduce contact between you and our co-workers. There will also be protective screens at the checkouts. Finally, here are a few other things you might like to know. Our famous bistro will be open for takeaways, and our Swedish food market will be open for those delicious make-at-home meatballs. But for your safety, our restaurants and all children's play areas will remain closed, and our opening hours will be reduced. Of course, if you prefer, you can carry on shopping online or through the IKEA app. So there you have it. Whenever you pop in, we look forward to saying a socially distanced hey. IKEA, the wonderful everyday.